Alright, you guys. So in this video, I'm gonna cover the Nasdaq. Alright. First, we want to take a look at the monthly. It's been pumping like crazy. 2021 all-time high. In this area right here, I was explaining on the SPX graph that during this time, everybody from Yahoo Finance to everybody was scaring you. They were scaring you that this was it for the market. The market was peaking. Is it gonna be the start of a bear bottom or bear drop, whatever you want to call it, a bear trend, and the market was gonna start retracing? But again, like I explained in other videos, once I saw once I saw this right here, how to recover this area, it let me know or think that this was gonna be used as a foundation for the next move on up. And that's exactly how it's playing off. So now, in this area here, notice how after we shoot up, it's been maintaining that area. Just like, just like right here. Just like this. Alright? So all it's doing is waiting for Powell. Notice how it's been concentrating in this area right here. Not just that, but when you go to your weekly, I think it is, yeah, you have that. So this tells you all right here. You see how it's in the upper area and on the bottom area, that's what you want for a push on up too. And even you, so you see how even SPX is having that little withdraw. The Nasdaq is also having a withdraw, but it's in a good withdraw, because what you want is, if it is gonna withdraw, it's gonna start falling, close somewhere here or here, and then start reversing once we get closer. But for that, we have to do this. So they're boxed up already, which is what you want. This is what we closed last month, and this is what we've been peaking this whole week, which is very interesting, and we're passing it right now as SPX is falling down. So now let's go to the daily. The daily right here. There's a new section by itself here. This is a peak. So I'll show you the point that's where it's at right now. That's what it's concentrating, this area right here. See, if SPX was really gonna start dumping on down and having this sort of crazy dump, or just throughout the night, you would have seen the Nasdaq somewhere here or somewhere here. So then it can start dropping and make it seem like it's bad. Let me go to a forward candle. See from the region right here. To be yellow or something. Yeah. I know it's too many boxes, you guys, so Sorry for that. We don't really need this shit. Anyways. Alright, daily wise. Daily, we have this area here. I don't like this. This big gap, this with the big gaps I'm talking about. I don't like that shit. Because you can't really say, oh, here's the resistance, or here's the resistance, or here's the main resistance. Just like right here. They're all over the place, but the main one's like right here. The main one's right here. So yeah, they have different ones. Why there though? Because you only got nothing. We got this, and I think the resistable. And you got this box represents this area here. Stretch this out. You see here, and also because it's a weekly too, so. Alright, so if on the daily we're still bullish, let's see. Which one was weekly? Weekly, right? Yeah, weekly. So the main area to pay attention to is this one right here. Whether it's coming up. So again, it's 10:40 something. We want 10 o'clock. We want till 11. If we stay here till 11:30, 11:15, 11:30, then lets me know that it's gonna try to make this its main area and start its move from right here. Otherwise, we're gonna see then 45, 12. So to start moving, it's gonna have a hard time passing this area right here. Yeah, this is gonna be a hard area to pass. Let's see what the other candles say about resistance. Resistance area right here. Yeah, see it's hanging over a support. This green thing is support. The moment you smash through it, it becomes resistance. Resistance. So the fact that it's breaking it but still creating support above this, again, all this indicating me staying inside the box. All came to me that it's trying to set this up as a main area to go up for the for a buy, whatever you call it. See how stuck they both are in the weekly? That's why. So if we still maintain this area, let's see, right here, 11/15th, most likely gonna start going on down. And when it goes down, the next cushion for this so we have the monthly, which is most likely gonna break this and get trapped here and then going back up. I don't see it breaking this throughout the night and going down again because with anticipation of the Fed speaking at 6:30. So then the more closer we get to the time, the more the market starts reversing and then it's gonna start going back up again. But for now, you gotta just let it breathe, let it do its own thing. 11:45, 12:30, that's your time you really want to look at it to go for a sweep, buy or sell. 11:45, 12 should be up here to get ready for go for a move. Otherwise, 11:45, 12:30 still right here, breaking this weekly. You go for the 15th, and it's gonna tell you that either they're gonna be your center, and it's gonna go for a sell. It's gonna be a red here, green down here, or it's gonna say center like it is right now. It's gonna say green. There's probably a green right here. Yeah, it's a green. See? 15-minute candle. See now? Because again, we keep getting rejected right here and see where it's at in this area. So we keep getting rejected in this area right here, maybe peak, keep getting brought down, peak, and you just keep seeing sticks. And then at the last minute, maybe 11:15, keep bringing down, stays in this area, and starts breaking this area right here. And then when you want to then see if it gets to this area, what time, if it's 12:30, what it might do, it might bullshit here, create support, and then at 1 o'clock or 2, go back up and close here at 2 again, and then start going back up. Because it can do what it did right here. Now, if it breaks this, and it's 11:45, 12:15, then wait for it to then come to this region. Because if it breaks this around that time, 1 o'clock or so, wait for it to come down like it's gonna fake and close below at 2 in the morning and 12-hour candle below a monthly. So it's gonna seem like, oh yeah, we're gonna continue going on down. But what it'll do is 1 o'clock it'll go down, and then 2 o'clock it'll go back in and then create support there and then start going back up again. See how now it's trying to make for that move? Because again, we gotta see over here 11:15, 11:30, and keep staying in that region. The more we stay closer to 12, the more lets me know that this is gonna be the main area to go for a buy. Especially these candles, the way they're bouncing in this region, staying right here, all that. This is all bullish. It's all good. But yeah, that's a play for right now. Then, of course, 6:30. If this is the entry, the main area, we should be easily here by 2 in the morning, or pass by this at 2 in the morning. If we trade some down, have some sort of problem here, we're most likely gonna come down here at 2 in the morning and then bounce in this region, bullish in this region, and then go back up again at 3, 4 in the morning. Because normally 2 hours or so before the data release, after the market has been dumping, the market starts reversing, starts going back up, anticipating the data being good news. But yeah, that's all I got right now for Nasdaq. So remember, it's important to hold this area because again, it's in the weekly, it's bullish, see it's breaking it. So this could be the center. I can see that. I could see the center, this being the center, and this 12-hour candle closing all the way up here, 2 in the morning, and then for it to continue back up again. Okay, yeah, that's what I got for Nasdaq. See, entry, target, target, target. Alright, I'm out, you guys. That's it for this video. Peace.